Hello students, today we are going to read the 10th topic of EVS subject. This is page number 40 of your EVS textbook. The name of this topic is Water and its Forms. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. It fills up rivers, ponds, lakes and streams. We get water from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. We get water from taps in our homes. Here you can see some of the sources of water: river, hand pump, water tap. Forms of water. Water has three forms: water, liquid form; ice, solid form; water vapor or steam, gaseous form. Water can change from one form to another. Water changes into ice. Fill an ice tray with water. Keep it in the freezer of the refrigerator for some time. We find that the water changes into ice on cooling. Can we hold the ice cubes? Yes, we can, because it is a solid form. Ice is the solid form of water. Page number 41. Ice changes into water. Keep some ice cubes in a plate for some time. The ice melts and changes into water. Can you hold the water? No, because water is the liquid form and it flows through the spaces between our fingers. Water changes into steam. Take some water in a kettle. Ask an adult to put the kettle on fire. Observe the spout of the kettle when the water starts boiling. What do you see? You see steam coming out from the kettle. When water is heated, it changes into steam or water vapor. Water vapor changes into water. Ask an adult to hold a steel plate in front of the spout of the kettle from where the steam is coming out. What do you see? You see tiny drops of water on the steel plate. This happens because hot steam cools down on touching the cold plate and changes into drops of water. Water cycle. During the daytime, the sun heats up the water in the lakes, rivers and seas. On heating, water changes into water vapor. Page number 42. The water vapor goes high up in the sky, where the air is cool. Here, the water vapor cools down and changes into tiny drops of water. These drops of water join to form clouds. In the clouds, more and more tiny drops join together to form large drops. These large drops become heavy and fall on the ground as rain. Rainwater flows back into the lakes, rivers and seas. It again gets heated by the sun and goes up to form clouds. Thus, water always moves from lakes, rivers and sea to the sky and comes back. This is called the water cycle. Here is a picture showing water cycle in nature. Water is the only substance on the earth that is naturally present in three different forms. Next point, hail and snow. Sometimes it is very cold up near the clouds. The water drops freeze on their way and fall down as hailstones. Sometimes it is very cold in the clouds. So water drops freeze in the clouds itself and fall down as snow.